你好，小朋友。今天陈老师还是请你和我一起上一节英文课。我们像在学校一样，戴帽子，一二三，说英文。All right, so in the last few weeks, we have learned a lot of different things in English. We learned about vowels and consonants, like here, vowels and consonants. We also learned about how to read a story with great fluency, right? We can use different tones and different expressions for different sentences when we are reading a story aloud. We also learned about short vowels and long vowels, and we learned how to spell different things from our spelling lists, right? So today we're going to learn something new, and we're also going to organize everything that we've learned to this cafe menu. So if you go to a cafe, the people who work there will give you a menu where you can order from, right? But this cafe menu is a little different from what an actual menu, because CAFE here actually stands for four different things. C is for comprehension, which means understanding something. So if you're reading a story, are you actually understanding what's going on in the story? That's what comprehension means. Accuracy means if you're reading whether you're reading something correctly or not. So, for example, if you're reading a story to Chen Laoshi, if you're using your finger to point at each word to make sure you're reading every single word correctly, that's called accuracy. Fluency, like we talked about yesterday, means whether you're reading a story with great tones and great expressions. So that's what fluency means. And expand vocabulary are those word knowledge that we have been learning, like vowels, consonants, short vowels, long vowels, and those words you get from your spelling list. Those are all vocabulary knowledge. So today, we're going to learn something new. And our learning target of the day is I can tell if something is a fact or an opinion. So we're going to learn about facts and opinion, and that is going to help us with comprehension when we're reading. Because I'm going to move this right over here. Find facts and opinion from a text I'm reading. Because if you're able to tell if something is a fact or an opinion, you will be able to understand the story or the article or just whatever you're reading. You'll be able to understand that better. So first, we're going to watch a video and then we're going to do some practice. All right, let's begin. Here we go.
What is it, Moby? Saturn is gone. Planet disappears from the solar system? Don't you think that sounds a little fishy? Not everything you read is true, Moby. What is a fact? A fact is a statement that can be proven true. Well, here's a fact. My socks don't match. I woke up late and had to rush to school. You can use your observations to prove that I'm wearing different socks. See? It's a fact. Right, Moby. You're an orange robot, and that's a fact. Cool! Now you're a striped robot. Oh, now you're plaid. Now you're just showing off. A fact is a true statement. The sun gives off light and heat. Animals need food and water to live. Sometimes you can't use your observations to prove facts. This website says that the elephant is the largest animal on Earth. I can't observe every animal on Earth to prove that this statement is a fact. But I can look up information in other places and see if they state the same information. When you verify, you make sure that something is correct. I can look up facts in books at the library, or research online to verify the fact. I can even ask an expert. Both of these books say that the blue whale is the largest animal on Earth. The elephant is the largest animal on land. So, this website isn't giving accurate or correct information. A source is someone or something that provides information, like a book, newspaper, or website. I don't think this website is a good source because it has wrong information. What is an opinion? An opinion is a belief that a person has about someone or something. An opinion describes what someone thinks, feels, or believes. It can share an emotion or a point of view. You can agree or disagree with an opinion. While facts can be proven true or false, opinions cannot be proven. Becca thinks tarantulas are the best pets. They're her favorite animal. It's Becca's opinion. You feel that tarantulas are scary. That's also an opinion. You and Becca disagree about tarantulas. I agree, Moby. Dogs are the greatest animals on the planet. How can you tell the difference between a fact and an opinion? Remember, a fact is a true statement. Right, Moby. George Washington was the first president of the United States. That's a fact. Anyone can make this statement and it'll be true. But opinions don't work like that. Ghost stories are scary. Is this a fact or an opinion? Well, not everyone agrees that ghost stories are scary. So this isn't a true statement. It's an opinion. As you listen or read, notice words that tell how a person feels about something. Moby thinks Superbot is the most exciting superhero. The words Moby thinks and most exciting are clues that his statement is an opinion. My favorite villain is the evil Dr. M. The word favorite signals an opinion. How can you share opinions? When you share an opinion, be sure to explain why you feel the way you do. It helps with making good discussions. I don't like this book. If I don't give reasons why I don't like the book, then people won't understand my opinion. That makes the book hard to discuss. I think this book is boring because nothing exciting happens. The main character walks home, and there was no fun or adventure. It was hard to get into the story. You liked the book? Why? I guess I never thought of it that way. When you share your opinions, try to support them with facts. Grandpop was angry that the community garden was going to be torn down to make room for a parking lot. He wrote a letter to the mayor sharing his opinion that the garden should be saved. He explained how people are eating more fruits and vegetables because of the garden, and how they also save money on food. Grandpop also explained how doctors encourage gardening because it's good exercise. A community garden is good for the whole community. Using opinions and facts helps people understand your point of view. As you read, think about what is a fact and what is an opinion. You can take notes as you read. Make sure the facts can be proven and the opinions are supported by facts. Moby, I don't think Saturn is gone. That article doesn't even give one fact to prove that it's true. You have proof? Dear Earth, I'm going on vacation. See you later. Your friend, Saturn?
All right, so now let's take a look at facts and opinions. So like we watched in the video, fact is a statement that can be proven true, right? So you can look up facts from books, from reliable website on the internet, and you can also discover fact by observation, right? So for example, Lila is a school. That is a fact. Chen Laoshi teaches 3rd grade at Lila. That is also a fact, right? But an opinion is a belief that someone has about someone or something. And your opinion might be different from other people's opinion. So for example, you might think Chen Laoshi is the best teacher in the world, but other people who don't know about Chen Laoshi might not think Chen Laoshi is the best teacher in the world, right? So an opinion is something that someone believes, and you can't really prove it right or wrong. It's just something that someone thinks, right? And you might have a different opinion than others, and that's okay. We can all share our opinions and support them with facts. All right, so now let's take a look at our seesaw assignment for today, where you are going to practice sorting out facts and opinions. All right, so you will see this assignment on Seesaw, December 15th, English Facts and Opinions. You're going to click Add Response. All right, there's only one page on here, so it should be easy peasy for you. And what you're going to do is to read through these sentences and then sort them out to see if it's a fact or an opinion. So for example, Lila is the best school in the world. I think that is an opinion because I might think Lila is the best school in the world, but other people, for example, your neighbor who doesn't go to Lila, they might think their school is the best school in the world, right? So that is an opinion. And let's do this one together too. For everyone's safety, Lila has decided to go into distance learning until at least January 19th. So that is something like if you go to Lila's website, you can find that information, right? And we all also go to Lila and we know for a fact that this is what's happening right now. So we know this is a fact. All right, so what you're going to do is finish reading these different sentences and sort them out by fact or opinions. And when you're finished, make sure to click this green button and share your work with me. All right, I hope you enjoyed our English lesson for today about facts and opinions. See you tomorrow.